Hello again. Uh, let's go back to our website. Some folks already did that, but I would like to explain that you can actually have your own design of this website if you go to Edit Sidebar and if you go to Colors and Fonts. For example, Colors and Fonts, and you can um, uh, change different. You can select uh, page background color, use default or use custom. If you use custom, you can, for example, take yellow and it will become yellow. If you want to work on the if you want to use an image, you have to download something. You have to download some kind of background. So it's up to you. Um, let's go back to, let's save changes, for example, and come back to our website. Um, and here, what I wanted to show you in the first place, when after you click on Edit Page, uh, this is how you provide links. For example, you want to talk about blogging. You type blogging and you provide the URL address, and I have for you especially, this is the blog that you will be using, or you might want to use. It's a free blog. You copy the URL address, you go back to, you might want to close this page, and you might want to paste this URL address, or you can copy, you can select it, go to link here, and it immediately becomes a clickable link. Now there's another tip that I would like you to know, is that you can actually insert a picture. You can there are two ways of doing this. You can insert an image. If you have an image, for example, downloaded already, you go to image, you click on image, and you upload an image. Okay, but there's a better way of doing this. If you don't have to upload an image, if images are there on the web, you go to the images, and for example, you want to use image of let's say computer, and you go and find an image of computer. For example, this, you like this one, you select this one, and you go to full size image. If you click on full size image, you copy the URL address of this picture. You go back to your website and go to insert image, and you go to web address, select web address, and paste the URL address of this picture, and then you click OK, and here it is. Now you can tweak it up. You can make it, if you click on it, you can make it smaller or larger. It's up to you. Yes, but if you click on it, you can make it smaller like this, or you can make it larger, or you can make it original, which is very large. And then you can also, let's make it just large, okay? And you can put it in the center, and you can wrap it with text if you click on. So there are a lot of other tips, but my next tip is using the streaming video from YouTube or from TeacherTube. Let's do it. I may want to go here, and to do so I will go to my YouTube, and this is the there are two ways of doing this. The simple way of doing this is just copy the URL address, but it only will work with this website. And go back to your website, go to insert, and it's go to video, YouTube. You select YouTube, and you just paste your URL address, okay, and you save it. Okay, and that's, but to play this video you have to save it. Okay, so it will play from YouTube. Now there's another way of doing this. So this is one way of doing this. Another way of doing this is even better. You go to YouTube and you go to share, and you select embed. That will provide you the code, and you go back to your website, and then you will have to go to edit page, and let's say and you may want to put it here, for example. You go to HTML code and you paste this into HTML code. Click update, and you have the same video playing here. Now these are the tips, and please use those tips when you post your information on your website. Next time we will look at some interesting things like avatars and Vokies. Thank you. Goodbye.